Health officials in the southern tier are urging those who have not gotten vaccinated for COVID-19 to do so quickly. Good evening, I'm Mary Alice Demler.
And hello again, I'm Scott Levin. That is because they are seeing a spike in cases, which they say are starting to overburden local hospitals. We hear more now from 2 on your side's Dave McKinley. David?
Scott, while many parts of the southern tier weathered the first wave of the pandemic relatively unscathed, it is a different story now, with a number of cases climbing and hospitalizations following. They are up to 45 cases of COVID currently at Olean General Hospital, about the highest number they've seen throughout the entirety of the pandemic. It is in Cattaraugus County, where the rate of infection is hovering around 3 times the average statewide, and the vaccination rate is about 50% of the population, which is among the lowest among counties statewide. But the hospital's chief medical officer says that's only part of the equation that adds up to a perfect storm in terms of what they're now facing.
What's different this time than what we faced during the last wave is the staffing issue. So unlike before, when we had the capacity to add beds and add services, now we don't have enough staff to staff that.
In September, the hospital lost nearly a dozen staff members who quit over the state's vaccine mandate. Outside the hospital, they brought in a trailer to set up a satellite ER to treat and discharge less critical non-COVID patients in an effort to unburden the hospital's emergency room. This hospital and others in the southern tier also serve residents of the northern counties of Pennsylvania, where they tell us the vaccination rate is not much better and where cases also continue to climb. Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.